So in the previous classes we have discussed about the Bohr's model of the hydrogen atom and also Bohr-Sommerfeld model of the atom. So in this class, we are discussing about the quantum numbers. We are discussing about the quantum numbers. So what are the quantum numbers? So what are the quantum numbers? Nothing but the electron present in the atom. So the electron present in the atom. So where is the electron is present? The electron is present in the atom. So it is described by three numbers. So it is described by the how many numbers? It is described by the three numbers. So what is the numbers? Nothing but N, L and Ml. So these are the three numbers. So the electron present in the atom. So it is described by the how many numbers? Three numbers. What are the numbers? N, L and Ml. So these numbers are called as the quantum numbers. So what are the quantum numbers? So these are the numbers. These numbers are called as the quantum numbers. So this is the definition of the visual definition of the quantum number. So what are the quantum numbers? The electron present in the atom. So it is described by the three numbers. What are the numbers? N, L and Ml. So these are the numbers are called as the which numbers? It is the quantum numbers. So these are called as the quantum numbers. So these quantum numbers provides. So these quantum numbers indicates. So these quantum numbers indicates which one? These quantum number indicates the probability. Indicates the which one? So it will indicate the probability of finding the electron. The probability of finding the which one? Finding the electron. The probability of finding the electron in the space. In the space around the nucleus. So around the which one? So around the nucleus. So these are the quantum numbers. So these are indicates the which one? Indicates the probability of finding the electron. So probability of finding the electron in which space it is? In the space around the nucleus here. So this is the atom. So at the center of the atom nucleus is present. So in the nucleus, so these are the orbits. So in the orbit, so electron is moving. So these quantum numbers indicates the which one? Indicate the probability of finding the electron. So around the in the space of the which one? In the space around the nucleus. So what is the information given by the or what are the information providing by these quantum numbers? Nothing but so we are already discussing. So it will give the where the space in the space around the nucleus, the probability of finding the electron around the space around the nucleus is provided by the quantum numbers, and also it will explains the energy. It will also explain the which one? It will also explain the energy. So these are related to the which one? Related to the quantum number. So in this first one we are discussing about the principal quantum number. We are discussing about the which one? Discussing about the principal quantum number. So it is indicated by the N. So what is the first one? Principal quantum number N. So this principal quantum number introduced by the Niels Bohr. So this quantum number introduced by the which one? Introduced by the Niels Bohr. So this principal quantum number is related. So it is related to the size and energy. Size and energy of the main shell. So size and energy of the which one? Energy of the main shell. So what is the principal quantum number? Principal quantum number introduced by the Niels Bohr. So it is related. This principal quantum number is related to the which one? Related to the size and energy of the which one? Energy of the main shell. So if the n value increases, the n value increases. So what is the meaning of n value increases? Nothing but, so the principal quantum number value is increases. So the shell becomes larger. The shell becomes which one? The shell becomes larger. So nothing but, so if the shell becomes larger, what happens? The electron further far away from the nucleus. Further far away from the which one? From the nucleus. So nothing but, so if the n value increases, so if the n value increases, nothing but, so number of the orbits are increases, nothing but, so it will increase the size of the shell. So if the increasing of the size of the shell, what happens? So the shell becomes larger. So the shell becomes larger, then the electron present further far away from the nucleus. So this is the information given by the principal quantum number. So if the n value increases, so again if the n value increases, the energy of the cell, also increases. Which is increases here? If the n value increases, then the energy of the shell also increases. So then the n is equal to 1, 2, 3. So like this. So it is indicated. So each n value indicates, one shell. So it is represented by, so these shells are represented by letters. What those are letters? K, L, M and N. For each n value, what is the n value? 1, 2, 3. The value indicates nothing but the shell represented by the letters. So what those are letters? K, L, M and N. So here we are taking the shell. So and n value. So shell is the K, L, M and n. Then the n values are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these principal quantum number having the which type of value? Nothing but, so those are having the positive integer values. So which values? It is having the positive integer value. Positive integer value is nothing but n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the n is equal to does not is equal to 0. So that's why it is called as the n values as the positive integer value. What is the meaning of positive integer value? Nothing but the n does not is equals to 0. So it is equal to 1, 2, 3 or etc. So these are the information provided by the quantum numbers. So let us recall once. So what are the quantum numbers? The electron present in the which one? Present in the atom. It is described by the how many numbers? 3 numbers. What is those are 3 numbers? N, L and Ml. So these numbers are called as which one? Are called as the quantum numbers. So the quantum numbers, these quantum numbers indicates the which one? Indicates the probability. So probability of the which one? Probability of the finding the electron in the space. Where that place? That place is around the nucleus. So it is also related to the which one? It is also related to the energy of the shell. So in the quantum numbers, the first quantum number we are discussing here, principal quantum number. So it is denoted by n. So it is introduced by the which one? Introduced by the Niels Bohr. So that principal quantum number having the positive integer value. So that values are n is equal to 1, 2, 3. So it is related to the which one? This principal quantum number related to the size and energy of the which one? Energy of the main shell. So the n value increases, the shell becomes larger, so the electron further far away from the nucleus. So if the n value increases, nothing but the energy of the shell also increases. That is indicated by the n is equal to 1, 2, 3. So if the values are indicates in the letters, the values of the shell is indicates in the letter or represents in the letters. What those are? K, L, M, N. So how is nothing but, so the shell is K, n is equal to 1. If the shell is L, n is equal to 2. If the shell is M, n is equal to 3. If the shell is n, then the n is equal to 4. So this is the information about the principal quantum number. So in the next class, so we are discussing about the azimuthal quantum number.